Now, in the last few days, we here at India Today have been getting you images of how people have let down their guard completely, flocking hill stations, going on holidays, not wearing masks or maintaining social distancing. The Prime Minister has also expressed concern, saying this is not the time for complacency, not the time for what's being called now as revenge travel.
Maskless tourist at Kempty Falls in Mussoorie, throwing all social distancing norms to the wind. Tourists flocking to the hills without any precautions. As pandemic revenge travel continues unabated, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has issued an alert. With fears of possible third wave looming large, PM Modi's big warning came at the first cabinet meet after the big reshuffle. In the meeting, the PM expressed concerns over the brazen COVID rule violations. The PM told his Council of Ministers that images of crowded places and people moving without masks is not a pleasant sight. PM Modi added that there should be no place for carelessness and complacency. A single mistake would have far-reaching consequences. The PM's warning comes even as thousands are heading to the hills to get a respite from the heat wave that is scorching the North Indian plains.
भीड़ से दूर रहने का समय निकल गया, अब आप घूमने फिरने आओ, नज़ारे लो जिंदगी के।
कोरोना का डर तो है, लेकिन घर में हम बहुत बोर हो चुके हैं बैठ के, इसलिए तो थोड़ी आउटिंग करने का मन हुआ, इसलिए निकले।
दिल्ली हुई या आसपास कहीं पे भी लोग ना फ्रस्ट्रेट हो चुके हैं, उनको निकलना है बाहर। और हम खुद इतने फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए थे दिल्ली में रह के कोरोना की वजह से, लॉकडाउन की वजह से, तो एक ब्रेक चाहिए था।
So far, all warnings by the government have fallen on deaf ears.
क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि एक स्थाई पर, जिसे एक टर्म भी बोली गई है, रिवेंज ट्रैवल, कि लोग जो घर में बैठे थे, जो रेस्ट्रिक्शन का समय था, अगर रेस्ट्रिक्शंस खोल दी गई तो वायरस खत्म हो गया है। यह ऐसा एक माहौल क्रिएट करेगा जिसमें अब तक जो गेन इन टर्म्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट ऑफ कोविड जो हमने लिए हैं, वह फिर से नलीफाई हो सकते हैं, वह फिर से हम उसको भूल के फिर हमें एक और चैलेंज का सामना करना पड़ सकता है।
Though daily cases have plummeted, there is no room to drop guard. But if COVIDiots don't mend their ways, we will be inviting a third wave upon us. Bureau Report, India Today.
Let's take this across now to Anisha Mathur for more details. Anisha, it's clear now that people simply aren't taking the necessary precautions. And again, we have to rely on the government to step in and put some curbs in place. The Prime Minister has taken note of the worrying situation on ground. Is that going to translate to perhaps some curbs, particularly in tourist spots?
You can hear me here. If you can hear me very clearly,
Sure.
let me just repeat what I was saying. But at the moment don't know what clothes will be put in, but the messaging from the Prime Minister has been very clear that there needs to be a reinstilling of the sense of fear of COVID among the people, because it seems like the warning so far have not worked. The Prime Minister at the Council of Ministers meeting yesterday has made it very clear that the images that are coming in from the tourist center are worrying, that it is something that is an area of serious concern and steps will have to be taken. The term that the Prime Minister used is that we will have to instill a sense of fear among the people regarding COVID once again, because people don't seem to be responding to warnings. So that seems to be a very, very clear message that is coming in from the government, that people are not listening, that people are not paying a due care, and something will have to be done, even though the numbers are currently down. Back to you.
All right, Anisha, thank you for those details. This is the last thing we really need in the fight against COVID. All our memories of the horrifying second wave seems to have been forgotten. People are out